Hey guys, in today's quick video, I'm gonna show you how to cook frozen ground beef so you have great tasting meat with good texture. Now, I have a pound of frozen ground beef that I'm going to cook with you today. The first thing you wanna do is get the pan nice and hot before you add any oil. I'm using a cast iron skillet, but you can also use a non-stick pan. Once it's hot, you're gonna add the oil and let it heat up. If you're using a non-stick pan and are avoiding added fats, you can use spray or omit the oil completely. Up next, we place the ground beef onto the center of the hot pan and leave it there undisturbed for about 4 minutes. This is gonna cook the beef on that first side, and the heat from the pan is going to begin to thaw out the rest of the meat. After 4 minutes or so, you'll wanna flip the block of beef and with a spatula, scrape off the cooked beef and push it onto the side. This cooked beef, we're gonna break up into smaller pieces with the spatula or with one of these ground meat choppers. Meanwhile, let that other side cook for another 4 minutes or so. Use the tongs again to flip it, scrape off the cooked meat, and you're gonna repeat this process a couple of times until you have a thin piece of beef that you can easily break up into smaller pieces. Now, by the way, if you love simple how-to videos just like this one, give this video a thumbs up so I know to make more of them for you on my channel. Now, if you've wondered when do I add onions and seasoning to the ground beef, I recommend that you wait until the beef is fully browned. One thing at a time, friends. First cook, then season. Now, once you've got your ground beef separated into smaller pieces, try to let those brown without stirring this too much so they have a chance to cook and brown at the same time. If your beef released a lot of water or fat and you don't want that in your recipe, use a slotted spoon to remove the cooked brown beef from the pan, or with a large spoon, drain it out before removing it. And that, friends, is how you cook a frozen ground beef for tacos and sauces. Now, if you want to make burgers or meatballs, make sure to watch this next video showing you how to thaw it out fast for those types of recipes. See you next time.